Hello and welcome to this feature guide for the P3C Display on the X3 version 2 e-bike. The P3C Display is a compact, user-friendly unit mounted on the left side of the handlebar, with control buttons integrated right on the display itself. Let's walk through the features and understand how to use them to enhance your ride. Section 1. Display Overview. To turn on the display, long-click mode or on-off button. As display is on at the top left corner of the P3C display, you'll see the battery indicator. This shows you the remaining battery power, keeping you informed about the charge level. On the center left of the display, you'll find the pedal assist levels, PAS. There are 5 levels to choose from. Next to it, the display provides additional important information such as voltage, current, and wattage. These values help you monitor the battery's performance and efficiency in real time, ensuring that your e-bike is operating optimally. You can turn on the front light by long pressing the plus symbol button. To turn it off, simply long press the same button again. This feature enhances your visibility during low light conditions. The P3C display also has a walk mode. To activate it, long press the minus button, and the bike will move at a speed of around 5 km/h. Display shows P-Walk as walk mode is activated. This is especially helpful when walking the bike uphill or through crowded areas. Another feature is the cruise mode. To activate it, first reach a certain speed using the throttle, then long press the minus button. The e-bike will maintain the set speed without needing to hold the throttle, providing a relaxed and comfortable ride experience. The P3C display also shows a brake indicator whenever the brakes are applied. This is a useful feature that confirms your brake system is engaged properly. The display also includes a USB charging port located at the bottom of the display. This allows you to charge your phone or other devices on the go, ensuring you stay connected even during long rides. And there you have it, a complete overview of the P9 display on the X2 and X1 limited edition e-bikes. With these easy-to-use features, you can make the most out of every ride. Happy riding!